Have you ever heard a sound that your brain couldn't explain? Not loud, not dangerous, just wrong. A whisper in another room, footsteps upstairs, knocking at 3 a.m. when nobody's there. This is called the fear of unknown sounds. Your brain is built to recognize patterns, so when it hears something unfamiliar, it instantly assumes the worst. That's why tiny noises at night feel terrifying, because your mind starts creating threats before logic can. And the scarier part, the quieter your surroundings become, the louder your brain gets. That random creak in your house, your refrigerator humming, static from another room. During the day, it's harmless, but at 2 a.m., your brain treats it like danger. Horror movies know this perfectly. Sometimes the scariest part isn't the monster, it's the sound before you see it. Because once your brain asks, what made that noise, it refuses to feel safe until it knows. So tonight, if you hear something strange in the dark, your fear may not come from the sound itself, but from the fact that your brain can't explain it.